What's up, guys? Check out this pet halo collar harness. So this is designed specifically for blind dogs and older dogs that tend to run into things. So this is to protect them and cushion them in case they run into things. So how it works is it has a fiberglass rod that you just snap into place on the back of this collar, and that's gonna be like a front little guard for them right here. This part is a little cushion all around the neck or collar of the dog, and you just snap it in with these buttons right here around the dog's head. It comes in multiple sizes. This one is for a small dog. It also comes with a harness that you strap between the legs to keep it into place. So go ahead, check it out.